the U.S.-China bilateral relationship is undoubtedly the most important relationship between two countries in the first half of the 21st century. So if we were staying on the path that we had been on, with a trade conflict transforming into a tech conflict and another likely Cold War, if not worse, that would really be an unfortunate and very disturbing outcome for the two countries individually, as well as for the world as a whole. And so it is of utmost importance that we find a better way to resolve the conflict. But I think we should be hopeful that 2021 could be a pivotal year in rethinking the way in which the two nations approach one another in the broadest senses of the word. I think there's a number of issues that the U.S. and China have in common that they want to resolve. Climate change is one, global health issues are another, and then secondly, a more strategic approach toward a lasting relationship, conflict resolution. I recognize that you can't rebuild a relationship by just going from issue to issue. You need a better framework to resolve the deeper issues on a lasting basis. And so, despite the differences, the people-to-people relationship, I think, remains very strong. I think if we focus on the aspirations of our respective people, we'll be in a better place to resolve the conflict. I'm still hopeful that we have an opportunity to do much better than we've done over the last 4 years. And we need to do that. China needs to do that. And the world needs to do that.